Welcome back. Today we will learn how to install Primavera P6 Professional version 16.2. Now let's start. Open the folder where we are having Primavera setup. Now right click on setup, click on open. Here select typical. Now click on OK. Click install. Yes. Here select run database configuration and click on OK. Here select P6 Pro standalone. Click next. Here click on add new standalone database. Click next. Here copy the login name, that is admin. Copy admin and paste it here. Again paste it here under confirm new password. Now click on next. Deselect load sample data. Now click on next. Click on finish. And now we have successfully installed Primavera P6 version 16.2. Now go to start and here click on P6 Professional R 16.2. Copy admin and paste under password. Click OK. Click OK. Here we can see that Primavera has been installed successfully and is working. Thank you.